Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We're talking about a morning staple that's been making waves in the wellness world for centuries, warm lemon water. This simple drink has been a go-to for doctors, nutritionists, and even your favorite celebrities for its incredible health benefits. But there's a lot of misinformation floating around out there. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about warm lemon water. And trust me, you're going to be surprised by some of these facts. Let's talk about the digestive system, the engine room of your body. Just like an engine needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your digestive system needs the right nutrients and conditions to function at its best. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of stomach acid, breaking down your food. This process helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. That first glass of warm lemon water in the morning? It's not just refreshing, it's a powerful way to kickstart your digestive system. It's like hitting the on switch for your digestive system. This simple habit can set the tone for a day of healthy digestion. It encourages regular bowel movements, which is essential for eliminating waste and toxins from your body, preventing constipation and keeping things flowing smoothly. Imagine it as a gentle stream that keeps everything moving without any blockages. Warm lemon water can also help soothe indigestion by neutralizing excess acid in the stomach. This can provide relief from discomfort and bloating. Once metabolized, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect, which helps to balance the pH levels in your stomach. A balanced pH is crucial for optimal digestive health and overall well-being. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your gut health, incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine can be a game changer. Look no further than a glass of warm lemon water every morning. It's a small change with big benefits for your digestive health and overall wellness. We're diving deep into the world of detox, and your liver is the ultimate MVP. It works tirelessly to filter out toxins and process nutrients. Warm lemon water helps flush out toxins, giving your liver a break. This gentle detoxifying effect supports optimal liver function. Lemon water can enhance the activity of enzymes in the liver, speeding up detoxification. A healthy liver is crucial for preventing chronic diseases. Incorporating warm lemon water into your routine can be a simple yet powerful step towards protecting this vital organ. Let's talk about weight management. Warm lemon water isn't a magic weight loss potion, but it can be a valuable tool. Lemons are a surprising source of pectin fiber, making you feel fuller for longer. Warm lemon water can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. It contains compounds that may help increase your metabolic rate, burning more calories. By flushing out excess water weight, you'll feel lighter and see a difference on the scale. We all dream of having that healthy, radiant glow, and warm lemon water can help make that a reality. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can be a simple yet effective addition to your morning routine. Not only does it taste refreshing, but it also offers numerous benefits for your skin. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals. These free radicals can cause damage to your skin cells, leading to premature aging and dullness. By incorporating lemon water into your diet, you can help combat these effects and maintain a youthful appearance. Vitamin C helps protect your skin from premature wrinkles, fine lines, and sun damage. It acts as a shield against harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants, ensuring your skin stays smooth and youthful. Regular consumption of lemon water can enhance your skin's natural defense mechanisms. It's also essential for collagen production, giving your skin elasticity and firmness. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin plump and firm, and vitamin C plays a crucial role in its synthesis. Drinking lemon water can support your body's natural collagen production, leading to firmer, more resilient skin. Warm lemon water helps keep you hydrated, essential for plump, dewy skin. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy complexion, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin cells functioning optimally. When your skin is well hydrated, it appears more vibrant and less prone to dryness and irritation. Dehydration can lead to dryness and accentuate wrinkles. When your skin lacks moisture, it can become flaky and more susceptible to fine lines and wrinkles. By drinking warm lemon water regularly, you can help prevent these issues and keep your skin looking its best. So if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skincare routine, look no further than warm lemon water. It's an easy, cost-effective solution that can make a significant difference in your skin's health and appearance. Start incorporating it into your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of clear, radiant skin. Let's talk about immunity. Warm lemon water can be your secret weapon against colds and infections. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C, strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C boosts the production of white blood cells, fighting off infections. Lemons are also rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. The warm water can help soothe a sore throat and open up nasal passages. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a glass of warm lemon water. Let's debunk a common myth about lemons. They're acidic, but once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is crucial for overall health. An acidic environment can lead to inflammation, the root of many chronic diseases. Warm lemon water can help reduce inflammation and ease symptoms of conditions like arthritis. A balanced pH can also improve energy levels. By incorporating this simple drink into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards reducing inflammation and boosting energy levels. Let's face it, mornings can be tough. Many of us struggle to get out of bed feeling groggy and unmotivated. The thought of facing the day can be daunting, especially if you didn't get a good night's sleep. But what if there was a simple way to make mornings a bit easier? A simple glass of warm lemon water could transform your mood and energy levels. This easy-to-make drink is not only refreshing, but also packed with benefits that can help you start your day on the right foot. The scent of lemon has mood-boosting effects, reducing stress and anxiety. Just the aroma of fresh lemon can make you feel more alert and focused, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Lemons are a natural source of electrolytes, keeping our bodies hydrated and energized. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels, and lemon water provides a delicious way to stay hydrated. Warm lemon water helps replenish lost electrolytes, giving you a natural energy boost. Whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to feel more awake, this drink can make a big difference. Drinking warm water in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism and increase blood flow. This can lead to better digestion and a more efficient calorie burn throughout the day. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your mood and energy, reach for a glass of warm lemon water. It's a small change that can have a big impact on how you feel every morning. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of warm lemon water. From boosting digestion and detoxifying the liver to enhancing your skin, immunity, and even your mood, this simple drink is a powerhouse of wellness. Have you tried drinking warm lemon water? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's impacted your life. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips. See you in the next video.